In the last video we wrapped this G-wing in satin black. Today we will be removing this window tint that you can see has gone all bubbly and horrible, and we will be replacing it. I apologise for the voiceover, we did have some technical issues with our microphone. We'll be replacing it with these Solarplexus pre-made tint panels. Basically got to take this window tint off first, so we've got to strip all that back, get any glue that's on there off, clean the window with hot soapy water, and then run over it with some glass cleaner. Once we've done that, we can then look at fitting these new panels into the back window. So let's get this old stuff off. Start by just picking away at one of the bubbles where it is, and it should just come off in one piece or probably several pieces. But yeah, it's coming off quite easy, not as hard as I thought, but we've got a bit of a job to take all the residue off once we get all this off. So we've now cleaned the glass, got all the glass clean as we can, got all the residue off, the glue, and now we're ready to fit the tinting panels in. They do come with instructions. As you can see, they're quite self-explanatory. Tells you how to clean the glass first, prep the surface area, peel the panels off. These panels fit in anyway, there's no inside or outside. You can see that they're pre-cut to fit in anyway. They do send you with these gloves, so once you've cleaned your glass and obviously you've taken the adhesive backing, protective backing off, you don't get your finger marks on there, so you don't see anything once you've fitted them in. But quite easily, you just peel one corner off and then you just peel the other side off, and then you offer them up to the window that you're actually tinting, whether it be the back like we're doing here or the sides. They literally just push into position. They fit quite well, they're quite well made. They are very flexible, so don't worry about thinking that you might crack it or anything. They are very flexible, so they'll just literally slot into place. And there you go, that's in there. A bit pushing so it goes behind the plastic trim, and then it's fitted in. They do send you with plastic tabs, self-adhesive tab you can put in just to hold it in place. Well, that's it. It's in, it's fitted, we'll get the plastic tabs on. So we've prepped the side window now, cleaned it, took the adhesive off. We'll now just strip off the protective panels that come on the window tint itself. And same as the back window, it literally just pops into place. It's easier to start with one corner first, either it be the bottom or the top corner. I found it easy with just putting the bottom corner in, slide it into position, and then just clip it in. Once we've got it into a position where we're happy with, we'll then just get the plastic tab so we've fitted the tints in now, we've put them into position, we've put the plastic tabs on, and it's not taken us that long. So as you can see now, they're all fitted in, they look really good. So please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.